Yo, what's up guys, me and here, and today we will be doing another video in Beast Swarm, and today we'll be defeating the 50 commando chick, and today I'm gonna start defeating it. So, it's coming in 20 seconds. Okay, so when you defeat the 50 commando chick, you get a mythic egg. So yeah, I'm really excited for that mythic egg. I really need it too, because I want to complete my collections of mythics. Because I have the Vector, Fuzzy, and Spicy. So yeah. Okay, let me just get all my bees out of there. Okay, now let's go in. Please, Adian. I'm good. Well, someone please cut that, because I don't wanna show how bad I am at pumpkin. Why am I talking so weird? I don't want to show how bad I'm at parkour. I'm laggy for some reason. Okay. Let's start. Holy, that was some lag. Commando level. Okay, here. Okay, there's the commando chick. Oh, and a tip for commando chick: when it's in its shell, always come here and come down. So yeah. Yeah, we clapped your command. Someone just got flung. Did he die or something? Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for that cut. I was just doing something. And, and we're doing this, very fast. Okay, you know I'm aiming for the demon mask, but please don't get mad at me. I'm just gonna use this stinger because I'm a bad boy. Okay, 100k damage already done. That's good. Okay, I don't know what to talk about. Oh, and I hope that you guys are doing good in this pandemic and everything. So yeah. I don't know why I'm just jumping and not talking. What's my friend Glad saying? He's saying commando chicken. Yeah, commando chicken what? Cheeks clap? Cheeks, oh, okay. He's always saying that. He always says that when we do commando. He always says commando cheeks clap. Clap. Commando commando chicken cheek clap. Yes, good. Okay. Right. This is going really quick. I'm just saying, oh well, what am I gonna talk about? Oh, we already did 200k damage. That is good. That is very good. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about the command chick a little bit. So yeah. I already said this in my tips and tricks video, but I think after 5, if you defeat 5 commando chicks, it gets 1 level higher. That's kind of tricky, but still okay. So yeah, and I'm saying this again. When it's in a shell, go on the step, and it's gonna flood. And now it's just reset. Just reset it. It's not in its shell anymore. So that's good. Okay. Oh, that was 8k damage. That's good. I'm about to do 300k damage. Very good. Imagine like you get the mythic egg at like if you defeat the 51 if you defeat the 51 commando chick. I'm gonna rage. Okay, we already did a 300k damage. That's really good. Almost dead. She's really good. Glad is saying my cheeks are red. I don't know how his cheeks are red, but okay. Okay, it's 40k HP. That is very good. Very good. No! I'm dead. That was very embarrassing. Well, editor, can you please cut that because I want to show how bad I am at the core. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, Tails chick is gonna get ready in less than a minute, so that's bad. We're gonna have to clutch this up. Clutch, 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 clutch. Come on. Okay, good damage, good damage, good damage. And I dead. Okay, and by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this video, like and subscribe. But if you do like and subscribe, you will get your cookie, your chocolate milk cookie. But if you don't, you won't get your chocolate cookie. Yeah, you know what I mean. You won't get your cookie. So please subscribe and like for good B-Swarm content. Okay, it's almost dead. It's almost dead. Oh my gosh, it's almost dead. Oh, there's the mythic egg. That is the mythic egg. OMG, let's go. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do with this mythic egg. At the start of this video, I was thinking that like, should I donate it? But then it was a stupid idea because for me it was a stupid idea. Okay, now this bumblebee will have to die. Okay, everyone wish me luck. Yeah, everyone wish me luck. Who's watching this, wish me luck of getting a good mythic E. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, let's go, Fuzzy Bee! Let's go, Fuzzy! Oh my gosh, that is a good Fuzzy Bee. Whoa. Okay, so that was the video, and I'm sorry if it was a little bit boring because I was just trying to kill the commando chick. So yeah. So a huge shout out to Steve73773. Shout out to Hackers of 1980s, and shout out to Talon Talonilus 79. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Huge shout out to her. And Glad Brad 12345. He has been helping me a lot to my journey. And now I'll see you on the next video, and bye bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. You won't get your cookie. Bye bye. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.